Hey, dry, cracked hands, irritated. I wash my hands a lot anyway. But baby, since this pandemic, I've been washing my hands all day long. So my hands get real cracked, dry, and irritated. But hey, I found a solution. My hands began to feel better the very next day too. Yeah, I still wash my hands a whole lot. But with using my moisturizer, my hands are no longer dry, no longer cracked either. Hey, my friend just told me my hands soft too. Hand moisturizer. This right here, it's better than lotion. Want to see what I did? Let's go. Why hand moisturizer? Okay, we got daily activities, always busy doing stuff. You know, the regular stuff. Using the restroom for starters. That's the basic hygiene. Then we add the extra. Washing hands after this, washing hands after that. Cooking too. My hands get real messy when I cook. Did I mention housework? Okay. I need to do laundry. Gotta sweep. Gotta mop the floor too. And don't even mention those dishes. Washing, washing, washing. After every single use. Yeah, we doing it like that around here. And how about that shower? And that bubble bath too. All that immersion in the water so much. My hands get extra dry and sensitive. But hey, hand moisturizer. Here we go. Shea butter. 4 tablespoons, that is. Yup, we use shea butter a lot around here. For my hair and for my skin. Probably why I'm so soft. Next up, cocoa butter. I got the raw version. Well, that's because I didn't want no added ingredients. We're gonna get that up out that water. I'm just dabbing it off just to remove all the moisture off the ones fell in the water. But it should be fine now. So the cocoa butter, that's around 1/4 cup. So now we just gonna let it do what it do. Argan oil, 1/4 dropper. Yeah, I'm gonna move my arm out the way so y'all can see exactly what the dropper look like, okay? There we go. See, we only need a little bit. Now, we're gonna let it all infuse together. It don't take long for everything to melt down. This is the container I like to keep it in, a glass jar with a lid. Most of my containers for my hair products and for my skin products are glass. Hey, it's bonus time. I'm gonna show you how we use my hand moisturizer, okay? This is for an intense treatment. Yup, we gonna use my nail growth oil too. They go real good together. So I already used my nail growth oil first. That's why I have on my plastic gloves. I just wanted to show you all how I make my hand moisturizer. Okay? So for intense moisture, here we go. First, clean your hands. Next, add the nail growth oil. Then, add the hand moisturizer to seal in everything. I already did the first few steps. The last step is to add the hand moisturizer. Just gonna put a little bit more oil on. I brought out an extra pair of gloves just so I can show you. Now you know we gotta massage everything in too. Can't leave out the massage. Getting those cuticles real good. That's why my nails grow so long and healthy when I do let them grow. Did you see my nail growth oil video? That's the video I'm showing you everything I do. Yep, my nail growth oil helps my nails to grow long, strong, and healthy. And fast too. I'll give you the link to that video. You see, I'm still massaging. Gotta give my cuticles a lot of attention. And my hands too. I'm gonna be well moisturized. By the way, taking care of my cuticles so much, that's a nail hack. That's a real big part of helping my nails grow long, fast, healthy, and strong. So I massage around 5 minutes, put my plastic gloves on, and leave them on for about 30 minutes, okay? Next, I gotta rinse it off. I'm using warm water, but just a little bit. I want to keep in most of that moisture that I just did. Hey, well moisturized hands. No more dry, no more crack, and they feeling good too. This nail growth oil, I got a video about it. I seen results in the first 7 days. Click the link right here.